Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by opening Settings and tapping Face ID and Passcode or Touch ID and Passcode. This takes you directly to security controls. You must enter your current passcode to proceed, so have it ready. Once authenticated, you'll see options to turn passcode off, change it, or require it immediately. Choose Change Passcode to start. Make sure your device is unlocked and charged so the process completes without interruption. You now tap Change Passcode and input your existing code to authorize the change. Next, select passcode options to pick 4-digit numeric, 6-digit numeric, or a custom alphanumeric code. Choose based on convenience versus security. Once you select, type your new passcode clearly and then re-enter it to confirm. This prevents typos and locks the new value in. After confirming, the system saves the new passcode and returns you to the security menu. Finish by testing unlock with the new passcode and then ensure Face ID or Touch ID still functions. Sometimes re-enrolling biometric data is helpful. If you can't remember the new passcode, note that you'll need to erase the device and restore from a backup using your Apple ID. That's why backups matter. If restore fails, use recovery mode instructions from Apple support. Make sure to try iCloud.com first for Find My iPhone options before doing a full erase.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.